इसकी चोट इसके दर्द का बायस बन रही थी।
Her injury was causing her pain. Her injury was causing her pain.
मैंने कमरे के चारों तरफ फैली रेत को बहा दिया।
I swept away the sand littered around the room. I swept away the sand littered around the room.
अफवाहें सच ही होंगी।
The rumors must be true. The rumors must be true.
आज इसका नाचने का दिल नहीं कर रहा था।
She wasn't feeling up to dancing today. She wasn't feeling up to dancing today.
इसके पहुंचने तक बस काफी दूर जा चुकी थी।
The bus was far gone by the time he arrived. The bus was far gone by the time he arrived.
इसका बेटा खामोश रहने के लिए जाना जाता था।
Her son was known for being quiet. Her son was known for being quiet.
इसे एक मंतकी फैसला करना था।
She had to make a logical decision. She had to make a logical decision.
उन्होंने हाथ मिलाया।
They clasped their hands together. They clasped their hands together.
तुम्हें इसकी तजवीज़ से इत्तेफाक नहीं करना चाहिए था।
You shouldn't have agreed to his proposal. You shouldn't have agreed to his proposal.
इस बारे में सोचें कि आप जिंदगी में क्या बनते हैं।
Think about what you become in life. Think about what you become in life.